Hello, friends. Right now, at this very moment, I want to show you step by step exactly how we can go about installing handles on the front panel of this piece. And when we do this, it is absolutely essential, truly crucial, that you are aware of the following important detail. When this panel, the one we are working on, goes to the CNC machine, which is a computer-controlled cutting machine, to have the cutout made for the hinges, well, to mill out the precise spots for the hinges, that very same machine can also at the same time drill the necessary holes for the handle. So here's how the process works in detail so you can understand every part of it. Click on the front panel and a window like this will pop up, and at the end right here you'll see Handles. We go in here and click Yes. And as you can see, the handle appears here. Now we go in here, and as you can see, we have several different options available for handles that are vertical, horizontal, and well, there's also this small single handle, let's say, which is quite unique in its own way. We go in right here, so we click here to proceed. All right, I'll set it up like this, making sure everything is in place, and then click on Subtitles to continue. This way you can clearly see how each option works and how to select them properly. See, it's positioned like this now, as you can see. Actually, here we had a situation, so you can clearly see how the left and right sides change here. When we put the handle on the left side, it opens to the right side, right? And when it's on the right side, well, the door opens to the left, and the hinges are on the left side as well. I think if we turn it now, it's clear here that the hinges are on the left side and the handle is on the right side, like this. Basically, I think everything is clear here. What else do we have here? Let's see what we can do here. When we come in here, we can place the handle right in the middle and also change the size of the handle. Well, the size of the handle increases by 32. That's generally recognized as the global standard for drilling machines. But if we want to make it bigger, there's a handle that has a size of 76 or say 128, right? And so on, right? So we can even increase it as much as we want, just as much as we like whenever we feel it's necessary. And you see it gets noticeably bigger. You can really see what the handle looks like, how long it is, and whether it looks nice or not, whether it's proportionate or not. That's for you to decide later on. But this is just a placeholder handle, and later on you can choose any handle model you want. However, you'll already know exactly what size you need, making your selection process much easier. So let's go back here again. Then we select this again. So what else can we do? For example, we can set it to exactly 25 millimeters. We just need to move the handle gently in this direction. Yes, you see it moved just like this, shifted smoothly to the right side. If we move it over here now, this is how it will be positioned. All right, let's take a look and see what other options we have available. Yeah, let's take a look at this horizontal option and set it like this. And you see now it's positioned like this. And what else can we do here? Well, one thing we can do is reduce this size, for example, by 30. This adjustment would make it smaller and could help us fit things better or optimize the layout. At the same time, we can also increase this other value here by 320, just like that. Making these changes allows us to see how the overall setup is affected and helps us achieve the balance we want. Well, I think that everything should now be quite clear to you, and you probably understand how this file actually works. How this HTML file operates, I believe, will not be too difficult for you to fully comprehend. I am confident that you will be able to understand all of this without much trouble. So here, I believe everything is quite clear and very simple for you to understand, and you can easily set the handle to any size you want in any direction you prefer and so on. It's very convenient, and I think you can do all of this quickly and efficiently. All right, with that, I'll say goodbye to you and sincerely wish you a warm farewell.